So I've got this awesome Bluetooth sleep mask here that I am going to introduce today. It comes with a set of earplugs, which is nice. You can Bluetooth this to your phone or your tablet so that you can play music on it. It has a microphone, you can take phone calls. But in addition to being able to Bluetooth music, you can also use the preset white noise that is on here. It has 8 different white noise sounds. You can listen to seagulls, the ocean, streams. It has diving noises, gentle thunderstorm, drizzle, and also bird song sounds. You can lastly listen to a fireplace noise if you like. It has a built-in timer function for 30, 60, or 120 minutes, and it's made out of a double layer breathable fabric. It has 0 eye pressure on it here with the 3D design, and it blocks out 99% of the light. It is soft and comfortable, and I'm going to demonstrate here. Very nice.